You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this French tennis coach. For more names from tennis, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. He coaches Serena Williams, or he did. Patrick Mouratoglou is how we say it in French. Patrick Mouratoglou. So in English you can say it as Patrick Mouratoglou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.